Growing a particular channel to get up to 1K subscribers can be very, very draining, especially when you have other channels you handle. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one tip, just one, that you can use to grow a particular channel from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers without posting any video. Yes, you heard me right. Without posting videos, you can actually grow a channel from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers until you can be able to start posting video, or you are chance to start posting video. With that being said, let me on my screen record so I can attach it to this video and show you guys how you can actually achieve that without posting a video. Okay, now you can go over to your YouTube channel, yeah, and find your favorite content creator. When you find your favorite content creator, you turn on the notification bell. Okay, this turning on of notification bell is actually very important because it's going to help notify you to each time your favorite creator drops a new video, and you being one of the first to be notified that your favorite creator actually dropped a new video is going to help enhance what I'm going to tell you now. Okay, when you go to that video that your favorite creator uploaded, when you're done watching, you can actually see from my screen record here that the first person to comment on this particular channel video now, the person says, "Small YouTubers, don't give up, we'll make it, let's vibe together." Okay, now this particular comment got over 200 likes. Okay, the comment got over 200, and when you go to the replies here, you can actually see that they are connecting with each other here. They are connecting with each other here, like subscribe, as in the first person that dropped this comment will actually get enough subscribers from this comment, looking from the replies and all that. Yeah, so it mustn't be this particular, you can create your own strategic comments. Yeah, something that you know that can attract, actually attract other subscribers, other content creators to react to that your comments. You get? Now when they react and probably subscribe, you can maybe subscribe back. With just this, you can actually get your channel to 1,000 subscribers without uploading any videos. Okay, you have to be strategic with your comments. You can twist your words, you know. Let's connect with each other under the comment section. Small YouTubers, let's help ourselves grow. Small YouTubers who are struggling to get subscribers, you know, just do something, twist, you know, with that particular comment, and you being one of the first to comment on that post, depending on how viral that particular video of your favorite content creator went, you can actually get enough subscribe. And when you keep on doing this using the same particular strategy on almost every of your favorite content creator, you can build your subscribers count without uploading any videos. Okay, it's working for me, and it is working for so many other small YouTubers out there. So tell me in the comment section if you are going to try this, and please subscribe.